This is an aircraft, and this an aircraft engine. An aircraft needs frequent maintenance. These are the mechanics which will perform this maintenance. Maintenance is complex, so the mechanics need some help. This is the help they need. And this is us. This is Swiss Aviation Software.
It's a real software company, you know. So here the focus is really on software development.
I always had the feeling that it's like a big family.
I think here at Swiss Aviation Software, everyone counts. We are like a big group of people with different cultures, but everybody is important, and yeah, we have a lot of fun all together.
Our developers are awesome. They really know what they're doing.
There are always new technologies coming up, and we've got one team that looks into these topics. We try them out, we do prototypes, and we see if it fits into our product. And if it fits into it, we're going to integrate it.
But sometimes mistakes happen. But of course, we handle those in a professional manner. Coffee breaks are important and popular. Luckily, there is enough for everyone. Some like to socialize, some like to play, and some prefer other ways to have fun. Sometimes we need a bit of alone time, but that's okay as well.
We tried to focus that this culture which we enjoyed in the early days can still exist in these days. We are not anymore a very small team, so we want to focus to be a family of employees having the same goal to deliver the best-in-class software to the market.
We have a big scope of customers and people really depending on the quality of the work that we are doing. This makes it really important and interesting to be here.
But it's not all about work. We also do lunch breaks. Plus, we play soccer, we run, we bike, we even paddle, and we race. Not only in Mario Kart, but also with our desks. We love our desks.
Initially we started with 2-3 people working for AMOS. Now we aim to reach 300 employees by end of the year.
Swiss Aviation Software is all about those people. Different kind of interesting people. Would you like to meet them? Join us. We are ready for you. Be part of our growth and start your next career step with us.